Women's Day to all of us. Strong woman does not have attitude, but they have standards. So raise your standard, be confident and be happy. Remember, happy faces are the most pretty face. Thank you.
Wish you a very healthy and happy Women's Day. Live a healthy and happy life and be a reason for a healthy and happy society. Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day. As you has rightly said, for this year, invest in women, accelerate progress. So if you want an overall progress in the whole society, in your family or as a healthy society, just invest in a woman and returns will come.
Happy Women's Day. 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 Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day.
Wish you a World Women's Day.
Hi, happy Women's Day everyone.
Wish you a very happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day. Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day.
Wish you a very happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day. Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day. Happy Women's Day. Happy Women's Day. Happy Women's Day.